guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back at Molineux for the first time in 546 days. That is a long time. The last game I went to was Wolves v Norwich. It was I think it was the last home game we played before COVID struck, and we won 3-0. So, but we're returning back today to Molineux for the first time in a year and a half, and I'm so excited. Genuinely, I've been looking forward to this day for the whole time. But yeah, we've got Tottenham today, so. Not the most ideal fixture to make a return to Molineux, especially after their good start against Man City with the 1-0 win. But I'm gonna go brave prediction today. I'm gonna go 2-1 Wolves. Alright, we're gonna have Traore to score and Jimenez to score for Wolves, and then Son to score. I've just seen that Kane's, I think he's in the squad but on the bench, so he's not starting, which is always good news, because coming up against Harry Kane is never a pleasurable experience. But yeah, so hopefully we'll get a good result today. But my prediction is going to be 2-1 today. But really looking forward to it. It's about 2 hours away now, so really excited. But yeah, enjoy.